Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to check Merrill Lynch 401k balance. It's actually very easy and simple. So first you need to access your account. So you can do this from various methods. So one is visiting the Merrill Lynch website, or you can go ahead and use the Merrill Lynch mobile app, or use the Merrill Edge app. Then just go ahead and log in, right? Enter your username and password. If you've forgotten it, recover it using the forgot login feature on the website or app. Then, to find your 401k account, okay, navigate to your retirement accounts or the 401k section, and you may need to use the account filter to see your 401k balances. So to view your balance, it should usually be displayed on the account page. What you can also do is view the account statements online. So if you're viewing the account statements online, it will show your balance, and you can also print them out for future references as well. Okay, as you can see right here. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.